Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Charlotte Tilbury mystery lip box. I have already done a video on the general mystery box, the big one, and I'm just going to do an unboxing of this one because we're on lockdown. I'm not really into filming at the moment, so I'm just going to do an old style unboxing. So I apologise for the quality of the first video because I did it in the sun and didn't realise that there was a bit of a glare and stuff. So I've done it somewhere a little bit shady now, so it won't, hopefully the glare will be a little bit better. Okay, so I ordered this on the Thursday, I think, before bank holiday, and it's arrived today, which is also Thursday, so it's taken a full week to get to me. So the order was only actually dispatched on either Monday or Tuesday, so it got here really quick. And funnily enough, my order that I placed last week before this order arrived the same time but was dispatched earlier. So I did actually find a working discount code that got me 10% off this box. So it was supposed to be 70 and I got it for, I think it was around 59, so it might not have been 10%, it might have been about 15%. So I found a discount code as well that got like a free lip cheat. So this is in the shade Pillow Talk, but it is opened a little bit there, which is a bit weird. So let's just open this up and have a quick look. So this is the shade. This is supposed to be like one of the iconic shades. And it just looks like that. So that is pretty cool because these are not cheap, and to get a full size one free is brilliant. I did also get a few other freebies. What is this? Skin clay mask. That's pretty cool. It's the really well padded. What is this? Oh, this is cute. Oh, it's a mini magic cream. There you go. Can you see that better? So that's cute. That's great for taking on holiday. And in here as well, there's also a mini of the legendary lashes. There are, what is this? Some little minis of like magic cream, eye rescue and night cream, which is pretty cool. And then that's a card with like my order on and stuff. So it was in this box, and then it's actually in another box. It's like a Russian doll trying to get into these. Okay, so this is the box that it comes in. Very nice and fancy. And from what I have seen, everybody who do get these mystery boxes gets exactly the same thing, which is a little bit disheartening. I would like it to be a little bit of a variation, but we will see. There's a lot of padding in here. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products in here. So the first one is a liner. It's the lip cheat in Pillow Talk. So I've already got like a full size of this. So that is a duplicate. The next item is, so this is one of the kissing lipsticks. This is in the shade Stone Rose. So I've got 2 Pillow Talks and 2 Stone Roses, so it's not actually, no point in opening this, it's brand new. I have got a Matte Revolution lipstick. Now this is in the shade Pillow Talk, so we've got a lot of Pillow Talk in here. So let's have a look at this one. So that's the colour, really lovely colour. Okay, so the next thing is one of the matte liquid lipsticks. And this one's also in Charlotte Darling, so that's another duplicate. So everything I've got so far has been a duplicate, which is not great. I would, so at this point, I definitely advise if you're going to get one of the mystery boxes, just get one, don't get both. Because you're just going to end up with duplicates. The next thing is a Pillow Talk Diamonds lipstick. Now this is in the shade Lucky Diamonds, so I don't have this one. So let's open this one and have a look. So that's cute. It's like a slimmer lipstick. Oh, it's quite a deeper brown. Well, deeper than the other lipsticks anyway. I think this might be a little bit more sheer. So I probably could still wear that one. And then this is the last thing in this box. This is a Collagen Lip Bath. So this is a Plumping Lip Gloss in Peachy Plump. So let's have a look at this. I'm not usually big on plumping stuff, but I will give this a go. I can't imagine like a Charlotte Tilbury being really like uncomfortable. So this is the colour, really lovely. Okay, so if I'm completely honest, I'm a little bit disappointed with this box because 3 of them were duplicates. I mean, fair enough, this one I got off a code, so I had 2 of them off a code. But still, the other 2 items were in the other box that I've just unboxed, so that's a little bit disappointing. But yeah, I like the lip plumper, that's really cool. The lip liner that I did get, and I will use that one. And then Charlotte, what's that? No, that's not Charlotte Darling, that's Pillow Talk, so we'll use that one as well. But yeah, definitely don't get both, only get one. You don't need it because there's, you know, there's crossover. But if you don't have anything Charlotte Tilbury, I think you'll really love this box. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.